Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a gift box. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it and press well. Now from the other side, again fold it and press. Now horizontally repeat the same steps. Press it. Now from this side, fold it and press. Now fold a triangle from one of the corner. Press it. Now fold one edge to the other one, pressing well. Turn it and again fold one of the tip into a triangle, then into a smaller one and press well. Open it. Fold this side to the mark. Now fold the triangle, press it well. Then from the other side, repeat the same step. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials. Now tuck it in. Press well. Now place your jewelry or gift in it. Now fold it like this and then this is how you have to close it and it's done. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.